here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a 90s supermodel inspired makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to be trying that out. I feel like it might be a little bit difficult because I'm going to be trying to like make my eyebrows thinner. So yeah, if you guys want to see my 90s supermodel inspired makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be trying to thin out these brows. So I guess first things first, I'm just gonna like spoolie out my brows. I'm just gonna put some like lash glue on my brows. Now I'm gonna take some tweezers and I'm just gonna like pinch the hairs together. Okay. I think it worked, and then like later we're just gonna like fill it in, and then I think it makes the other hairs like down here and stuff easier to just like put concealer over. I'm just gonna take a little bit more lash glue and just really get that one to lay them down so it's easier to put concealer over them. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. And I'm going to fill my eyebrows using the Morphe E29 blush. Now I'm going to conceal my eyebrows with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer on a M124 brush. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to prime my eyes with these two concealers, with the Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 20 and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. We're using a brush today to blend it out, and we're going to be using this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. So we're going to be taking the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take the first shade in the palette on a M441 brush. Yes, there's like a little bit of blue on it, but don't worry, it's clean. It's just, you know, white brushes, they kind of take the color of the previous. So now I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner and also blend it into the crease, but I'm really keeping it on like the outer half of the crease. I'm not really bringing it into my inner corner. And now on a M504 brush, I'm going to take that second shade in the palette and put that on the outer corner. And now I'm going to take the M330 brush and I'm going to take Walzano, which is the third shade in the palette, very lightly. And also, you guessed it, and put that on the outer corner. I'm really darkening up this outer corner and a little bit in the outer corner crease, but I'm bringing this one a little bit more into the inner corner crease, but you want to keep blending it out. You see how I'm like feathering it, blending it out into like this little like cut crease type shade. A E36 brush, I'm going to take the dark black shade in the palette and place that on the outer corner. Blend that out with the M330 brush. And then I'm also going to take that dark shade and bring it into the inner corner of the crease. And blend that out. I'm going to take the M441 and take the first shade in that palette again and just make sure that dark shade is blended out. And now I'm going to take that NYX concealer that I use to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm going to take that on a M124 brush. I'm going to basically like cut my crease, but not very like sharply. Like I want it to be a clean space for the color, but I don't want it to look like a super sharp cut crease. You kind of just want it to look like, you know, like a, oh, you put like a, I don't know how to explain it. You don't want it to look like a sharp cut crease. And before I put that neutral shade, I'm just going to take the M213 brush and take the black shade again and just make sure, like you see how it's like, bring it back down. I'm going to take this small blending brush and just blend that out. Now I'm just going to take this LA Colors like pressed powder, and this is in the shade Tan, and I'm just going to take that on this VH Cosmetics brush. And I'm putting that on my lid, but I'm kind of like messily putting it on my lid. Like I said, I don't want it to look like I cut my crease. I'm going to take this blending brush and just make sure that outer corner is blended out. Also going to take Zaz and put that in the inner corner. I'm going to do a wing eyeliner. Okay guys, I went off camera and did my other eye, and then I also just did my foundation, and I'm going to do like the rest of my face concealer and all that good stuff with you guys. So for my under eye concealer, I'm going to do the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I want a really bright under eye. The ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to cream contour with this. I'm going to blend that out with this VH Cosmetics #1 brush. Now I'm going to blend out my under eye concealer, but I'm going to use a brush. I forgot to wet, I'm not even going to lie and say I'm doing this for like a certain purpose. I forgot to wet my beauty blenders. So I'm just going to do this with a brush and we'll see how it goes. I know a lot of makeup artists do this, but yeah, we'll see. I think this looks pretty dang good. I'm pretty happy with it. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes. I'm going to set that with this Maybelline powder in the shade 01. I did all that. Now I'm just going to add some blush. I'm trying to like, I don't know, my face shape is, obviously I have a really round, chunky face. So I'm just trying to like contour and all that stuff, like, you know, give supermodel vibes. It's not really working, but it is what it is. So now I'm going to do blush. I'm just going to take my favorite blush, which is the Tarte blush in the shade Party. I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks. I'm also going to take, because I feel like that's not giving enough, this Too Faced and Love Flush. So now I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes. I'm going to come back and like tell you guys what I do with my lip, because I feel like that's kind of like a also important part. Actually, really quickly, I'm going to do like my faux freckles, which I usually do, but I'm going to do, like, I'm going to enhance my like beauty marks on my face. Even if I didn't have them, I would definitely enhance them, because I feel like a lot of 90s supermodel aesthetic, like they have some type of like beauty mark mole on their face. So I'm going to do that, and then like I said, I'm going to go up to put on a lash and then do my lips, and then I'll come back with you guys. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is my finished 90s model, 90s supermodel inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really was going off of like some inspiration pictures, and these are the inspiration pictures I was like kind of going off of. This one and this one. Obviously I know these are like pictures of people nowadays doing that type of makeup, but those are kind of like the pictures that I was going off of. I also had like obviously real 90s supermodel like makeup pictures, but these are just the ones that I was like, okay, this kind of looks the most like it, and it's the most like clear kind of image. But anyways, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really like it. Honestly, I feel like I could have done my brows a little bit thinner, but I really like the way that this look turned out. Oh, I also wanted to tell you guys, I like had some lashes that I just kind of like cut down the middle and only put lashes on the outer corner, and I really feel like it really adds to the look. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Also, if you like me, you can watch another video. All that good stuff is, you know, I have some videos that I think you might like on the end screen, but also you can just click on my page and watch whatever video you feel like you would like. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.